Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off the end variable for Python print statements, otherwise known as non-new line printing for Python. Very simple, and it's very useful for command line interfaces. Thank you very much. I do hope you learn something. So, when you're working in Python, you will undoubtedly, inevitably use the print statement, right? Print. A quick example, the common hello world. If I run this, it puts hello world there. Bing bang bosh, there we go. Now, one thing most people know is when you do a print statement, it automatically moves to the next line. Now this can be avoided by using method overloading, right? More variables. The variable that you would need to modify is the end variable. If you make that blank, if you make the end variable blank, then it doesn't shift it to a new line. Now, how it does it normally is it does a \n normally. As you can see, by removing that variable, there's no \n, therefore no new line. Now you might wonder, well, it's nice, but how is it ever going to be particularly useful? First thing first, a command or a thing in Python doesn't have to be useful for it to be something you know. Even an unuseful thing gives you a deeper understanding of it and can help you more in other ways that aren't directly tied to it. But, for example, where it might be useful is something like this. Hello user. As you can see here, we're going to have a if statement. See? Now, if I was trying to do this without new lines, without the non-new line print, I would have to make these a variable, and then have the print statement here, or have two different print statements all containing the hello user, yada yada. It can help reduce development time with certain text-based systems and command line interfaces, and it can be quite nice. Just to show the other example for 89 here. Yeah. It can simply speed up development of text line systems by making it so you don't need to use as many variables, or that printing is just a bit more structured and nice. It also increases readability, right? Because this is a bit more readable than, say, if I had used a print statement here with these two being variables. So yeah, it's a neat little thing, but not the be-all end-all. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, or especially comment, because I love learning how you learn. It helps me make better videos, it helps me make more educational content, better for everybody. If you have any specific requests about a certain topic, such as anything to do with Python, some stuff to do with Java, some stuff to do with HTML, anything like that, I will make a video on it and do my best to educate properly. Thank you very much. Happy coding!